forecast weather of today, October 4, 2024. Typhoon Julian weakens into tropical depression. The center of the eye was estimated based on all available data at 240 km north-northwest of Itbayan, Guatanes, with maximum winds of 45 km per hour. Near the center and gustiness of up to 55 km per hour, and the movement is almost stationary. Moderate through seas over the following coastal waters up to 3.5 meters up to seabirds of Batanes, Babuyan Island, and Ilocos Norte, and up to 3.0 meters and up to seabirds of Ilocos region and the seabirds of Zambales, and up to 2.5 meters of seabird of mainland Cagayan, the seabird of Bataan, the western seabird of Lubang Island, the western seabird of Calamian Island, the western seabird of northern mainland Palawan, and the seabird of Kalayaan Island. Mariners of small sea crafts, including all types of small motor bangkas, are advised not to venture out to the sea under this condition, especially inexperienced or operating ill-equipped vessels. Julian is forecast to weaken into remnant low today over the landmass of Taiwan or the seas southwest of Taiwan. For Bicol region, Visayas, and Zamboanga Peninsula, the weather condition is cloudy skies with scattered rain showers and thunderstorms caused by ITCZ, and there is a possible flash floods or landslide due to moderate to at times heavy rains. For Ilocos region, Cordillera Administrative region, Cagayan Valley, and Central Luzon, partly cloudy and cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorm caused by easterlies, and there is a possible flash floods or landslide during severe thunderstorm. For Metro Manila and the rest of the country, partly cloudy and cloudy sky with isolated rain showers or thunderstorm caused by an intertropical convergence zone or ITCZ, and there is a possible flash floods or landslide during severe thunderstorm. For the wind and coastal water condition of the country, for northern and central Luzon, the speed of wind is moderate and there is a direction is from northwest to northeast, and the coastal water condition is moderate to rough from 2.5 to 3.1 meters high. For Visayas and the rest of Luzon, the speed of wind is light to moderate and the direction is from east to northeast, and the coastal water condition is slight to moderate from 0.6 to 2.5 meters. For Mindanao, the speed of wind is light to moderate and the direction is southwest to southeast, and the coastal water condition is light to moderate from 0.6 to 2.5 meters. For Ormoc City weather, the temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. Humidity will make high and feels like 39 degrees Celsius. There is a possible thunderstorm at 1:30 this afternoon. Ultraviolet is low and the wind of speed is 0. The humidity is 91%. Sunrise is at 5:30 this morning and it will set 5:30 this afternoon. This weather information is from Pag-asa official website. From Once Channel Daily Weather Report, this is Melbourne Lorente, an intern of Chief of Construction studied at Ama Computer Learning Center of Ormoc, saying, "Hugot bisdak, imo gibulagan tapos karon imo balikan. Unsa na? Throwback Hearts Day."